Hello everybody, today we're going to make easy baked potatoes. Instead of so many spices, just use one spice called lemon pepper. And you also use olive oil to make, and then you add some olive oil. Add it all over. And then add some lemon pepper. And then add some lemon pepper as much as you want for your taste. Now that we mix it well, it's ready to go in the oven. If you want, you could add mozzarella cheese, but if you don't want more flavor, you don't have to. We want more flavor, so we are. Our yummy, easy potatoes to make are done and ready to eat.